Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be explaining the word ecosystem and going into some of the basic things you need to know about it. One thing to note is that a lot of the time, people use environment and ecosystem like they're the same word, but they're not. The environment is everything around us that changes or influences life, while an ecosystem is a community of interacting organisms and their environment. While it's okay to sometimes use the words like they're the same, we just have to make sure that we know the difference. An ecosystem has a lot of different life forms, and each of these living things have their own jobs. These jobs can fall under the category of a producer, consumer, or decomposer. First, we're going to talk about producers. Producers are like plants. Have you ever seen a plant besides a Venus flytrap eat food? No, right? That's because plants use the sun, water, things in the air, and minerals to make their own food. So, producers produce their food. Next, we'll talk about consumers. Consumers are creatures like bears that have to eat other organisms or plants for their food. So, consumers consume other things because they aren't able to make food the same way producers can. Lastly, let's talk about decomposers. These are things like bacteria or fungi. They break down waste from living things and even parts of living things. Then, after they break them down, sometimes what decomposers will do is they'll leave some of the good stuff from that breakdown into the soil. That way, these plants that are in their ecosystem have more things that they can use to help them grow and even produce food. All of these different jobs in the ecosystem interact with each other and make the ecosystem an ecosystem. Before we stop for today, I just want to leave you with one question. Can you give me an example of an interaction between a producer and a consumer? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!